Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to properly add tags in your YouTube videos. For that, all you have to do is go to your YouTube. For example, this is my YouTube channel. All you have to do is select any video. For example, I'm going to create a video and upload it. And that way, I'm going to select any particular video. For example, I'll go back to I'll select any particular video. This is upcoming Samsung's phone. So I'll go back and I'll leave it. So for example, my video is related to upcoming Samsung foldable, which means I'm going to upload about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I'll copy the word Galaxy Z Fold 3. I'll paste it in Google, and you must download an extension called Keyword Everywhere. Download it, and it's totally free. Download this one. And when I write the Galaxy Z Fold 3, due to the presence of this extension, I will get related keywords that are mostly searchable, and they are mostly searchable on Google. So that way that will help my video to rank up. So I'll copy all these from here. For example, I'll go up here, I'll copy them, and I'll come back to notes, and I will paste it. So these are all, and make sure to put comma behind every every word. Put comma, so that way your tags remain separated. For example, comma on this, comma on that, comma on that, and after that putting comma, copy all of them, because if you don't put the comma, the tags won't be separated. Go to more options, and here just paste it. If you paste it, you can see all the tags are separated with the comma. The comma can't be seen, but the comma indicates that all the tags will be free of the comma. Without comma, if you copy and paste it, this is how it will appear. Let me show it to you. For example, if you paste it without comma, I'll copy this, and for example, I paste it. You can see it's just a one word text, that is tag. So you don't do that. Just copy that, put it a comma, and download the extension. So if you think this video really helped you in understanding how to put the tags for your upcoming YouTube videos and how to get more views through YouTube search, through Google search, make sure to leave a comment below. Subscribe this channel, support this channel, and watch our all other videos and share it. We will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.